here are the 5 tricks to fix lagging issue in Warcraft Rumble. Well, in this video I'm going to share with you the 5 tips that I have tried and actually worked for me. Let's get started. Tip 1. Lower the graphics setting of the games. One of the easier way to reduce the lag to lower the graphic quality of the game, you can do it by going to the game setting menu, choose a low graphic option. This will make the game run faster and smooth on your mobile device. Tip 2. Close any background app that you don't need. Another reason why a game might be lagging because of too many apps running in the background. This app can use your memory and CPU resources, which can affect your game performance. So make sure you close all the apps you don't need before launching Warcraft Rumble. Tip 3. Update your device operating system and all installed apps. Sometimes the lagging can be caused by the outdated software or a bug in app itself. To avoid this, make sure that you update the device operating system and all installed app regularly. This will ensure that you have latest bug-free performance improvement for Warcraft Rumble. Tip 4. Clear the cache data of the game. Cache data is temporary files that are stored by the app to help it load faster and run better. However, over the time these files can become corrupted or outdated, which can cause the lagging issue. To clear the cache data of Warcraft Rumble, go to the app setting and press clear cache and relaunch the app. Tip 5. Uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of the above tip work, you might want to try uninstalling and reinstalling Warcraft Rumble. This will reset the game to default state and remove any potential conflict or error that may be causing lagging. However, it might also delete your game progress and settings, so make sure that you have backup before doing. And those are the 5 tips for fixing Warcraft Rumble lagging on your mobile devices. I hope that worked for you, at least gave you some idea to how to improve your game experience. If they did work for you, please let me know in the comment below and how they help you solve your problem. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe channel for more content like this. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so